Good morning, y'all. Day 2. Gonna head out today and go get one of these plots clipped and throw some of these clay peas out. Yeah, so got the tractor running, fill it up with diesel, go get this spreader, and yeah, go ahead and get on the road, get things started. Got a lot of things to do today before I leave, so yeah, let's go get it done. Alright, y'all, head down to this plot, try and get this stuff kind of turned over, and yeah, go from there. So, show y'all what we got going on when we get down through here. Alright guys, turning this last little plot, just kind of clip this little bit of grass we got. Really ain't much grass, but I threw these peas out to try and see if I can't use some grass to cover them up a little bit. I know the birds are going to eat some of them, but whatever. Threw no fertilizer out. Just letting y'all know. The soil samples came back pretty well. Had like a 6.62 on the pH. So the only thing we were lacking really, we had good nitrogen, good magnesium, but potassium was down, which is pretty common on most places. So look, I'm not going to do anything this. Look, we're going to give it a rip this year, and we'll kind of make a plan from there. I'm getting more comfortable on the tractor for sure. Yeah, I'm definitely getting more comfortable. I'm still like super just apprehensive, I guess you could say, or cautious. Trying not to do too many crazy things at one time. But let's see what this stuff does. I'm excited to show y'all in a couple weeks. Maybe we'll get some sprouts, huh? Let's go. Saying to y'all, if I said I did not want to sell this tractor and get it here. It's hard to get new stuff when stuff's paid off, and going. Well, that was weird. Didn't expect that. Did I mention I do not know how to drive a manual at all? Why are we stalling out? What's going on here? Everything's good on my side. Diesel? Must be out of diesel. We're getting low. I really just need to get it off the road, guys. Now the battery is smoked. Let me see if I can pull the wheel. Still having some tractor problems, so walking back to the camp now, get some diesel, get my truck, see if we can't jump this rig off and Seems like the battery's dead, but I don't really know what the problem is. I'm gonna throw some diesel in. It says it's got 3/4 of a tank, so I don't know. But it ain't no short walk back, I can promise you that. So, yep, let's see what we got going on with this thing. All right, got the tractor back up and running. Got it back to the camp. Guys, I just don't even know. I don't even know. And then there's condensation building up on one of these. I'll leave the key in it in hopes that somebody caches it. But we are sitting this old girl down for the weekend. All right. I told you guys how last time the porch up there is leaking through that gap. I'm gonna get up there, blow all the leaves off, and well, this ought to be interesting. My mom loves seeing this video, I'm sure. She's gonna say why? She's gonna say, why would you climb up there by yourself? Why do something so dumb, Chris? If I don't do the dumb things will never get done. Letting the container air out. Gentlemen, I bought it from, I've bought multiple containers from him, but the guy has always been on time. He's always done a great job loading, unloading, whatever we ask. So if you need a container in this area, Claiborne County, Adams County, you know, anywhere up 55, look up Cajun Containers. I'm gonna go throw grass out on these roads that Danny did yesterday, and I am also gonna go mess with this little spot in the back 200 that I'm calling it. So yeah, stay tuned, and we'll go ahead and knock some of this stuff out. It's a pretty day out, it's warm, plenty of waters, and yeah, go from there. Just that spot I showed y'all last time. I'm gonna try and get these logs out of the way. See if I can get over there. So I was listening to a podcast, which I listen to a lot, I drive a lot, and they said, hey, if you can't get a tractor where you're trying to go, then just use like a weed eater. And I was like, heck, I can do that. So I'm gonna try in here, come in here, weed eat some of this, then throw some seed out. Hopefully I don't choke the seed out, but I'm gonna try and weed eat it pretty low and go from there. All right, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the finished product in a minute. Let me throw these peas out. And look, I don't know if this is gonna work. Might have too much on top, but we're gonna give it a try. I don't know if this is gonna work. Probably won't. I'll probably get choked out by weeds, but I want to try. I gotta learn my lessons, so why not? Okay, so this is what it looks like after I weed eated it. It just sits here in a great bottom. Got a lot of oak trees up in here, right here by a creek. So I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Peas probably won't come up at all. I mean, y'all see how much grass is in here. Ideally, I would have liked to spray it, and then let it die off, clip it, and then throw the seed out, but whatever. This is just a trial thing. I like to try new stuff, just see what'll happen. Plus, it'll tell y'all if this is a stupid idea or not. So, all right, now I'm gonna go, I gotta go flag this road up here. Danny's gonna try and push this dozer down into this bottom, so I'm gonna go flag this for him and see if we can't get us a road pushed out. It looks like it's washed out pretty good, but we're gonna give that a try. See if we can't get that pushed out. If not, it looks like I got an entrance on the way I came in with the side by side. So either way, we can get down in here if we shoot one. So, all right, let me go work on that. I was hopeful for this road right here, but honestly, where it comes out, I need to figure that out. Just not really sure where it comes in and out of. I mean, it was definitely a skidder road at one point. Let's go see if we can't figure out where this road might go to. Because it'd be helpful to have this road. So, okay. All right, y'all, I found it. That's that ridge that I was looking for. I got it ribboned up for Mr. Danny. It's gonna come down here, push this, hit that skidder road. Have a road right down in there. That's what I was trying to do. Early season, deer like to be close to creeks. It's a lot cooler. So I'm pretty pumped about getting that done because that's gonna be sweet. So, all right, now I gotta go spread some grass and yeah, go do a couple other things, and yeah, here we go. Guys, keep in mind on these plots, I threw no fertilizer out here. I'm just giving it a try, see how it does. I know the fertilizer does help, but I didn't go get my soil. I mean, I looked at my soil samples. I think to bring it to someone to see exactly what we need for each kind of seed I'm putting in here. So I just said, you know what, I'll let it rip without any. I don't care for that seed spreader very much. I think I might get a different one. All right, keep on going. Gonna throw some grass out over here. Danny said just throw it out on the roads because it helps, you know, the root system helps hold the road better. Which, yeah, of course it will. So, all right, let me get this Japanese millet I got and start chunking some of this out. Y'all can see this stuff is tiny, tiny seeds. So, a little bit goes a long way. All right, finished all that over there. Start making my way down the hill. And I think I'm gonna give up on this road that I had Danny make. And I think he realizes it too. It's just not good. The road road's got too many problems. I'm gonna focus on, this is the road that I'm really gonna focus on and try and getting it right. So we'll keep moving on down the road with this cedar. Go from there. All right, y'all. Just got done putting the seed on the roads. I'd sit down and take a break for a little while. Haven't done that yet. Shorter shoes on. Take it from a man who's been to the hospital multiple times for cramps. Pickles work, no doubt, 100%. Some people like mustard. I found for me, the pickles seem to work the fastest. All right, y'all, that's gonna be the end of the day. Going home in the morning. So yeah, pretty good weekend. Got some things done that I needed to get done. So next weekend it'll be my son's birthday, so definitely be home for that. And I think the following week might come back up, maybe. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. See what my wife wants to do. But hey, anyway, thank y'all for watching. Just remember, get out and make memories today, because tomorrow isn't guaranteed. So hey, y'all have a great week, and we'll see you on the next one.